Hello, everyone. I am taking a short break at work to meditate, and I hope you find it useful as well to join and try a short relaxation meditation that you can do, even if you have only 5 minutes, perhaps between meetings, like in my case, or during the busy day, whenever you can. So as always, just find a comfortable place to sit. You can lie down if possible, of course. You can even stand or walk and take that deep breath. Just taking one deep breath can already be helpful in stopping, in pausing. And then pay attention to the body for a moment. How the body feels, its position in space, how it's touching the surface you're on, maybe the chair, maybe your feet are on the floor, hands on the table or on your lap. Just noticing, just pausing for a moment with the breath and the body. And then there's noticing all the body sensation. Maybe there's some pleasant sensations or unpleasant sensations. Just notice them. No judging. Trying to be kind and relaxed. If you find any tension, you can try and release a little bit of it. Maybe unclench the jaw. Let the shoulders drop. Let the belly be soft. No need to force the relaxation, just noticing. Just taking that few-minute break. Recharging the batteries. And then noticing anything else happening as well. Just opening the awareness to whatever's happening this moment. Could be thoughts. It could be sounds. Maybe you're surrounded by people, or there's traffic, or nothing else you're noticing. Just letting it be. No need to change it. No need to control anything. Just being present with what is. This brief time to pause and relax and open to our experience can be so helpful. We can't always take holidays and have long periods of rest. But even those short, brief moments can be really, really good for us. So just for a moment, return to the breath and to the body and notice whatever's happening And before returning to your surroundings, make sure to slowly open the eyes if you had them closed. Stretch if needed. Take a few deep breaths. And you can return to whatever activity you were busy with before. I hope you get to have some holidays soon. I will be on holidays quite soon, thankfully. And for now, I will be returning to more meetings and more work. I wish you all a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me today.